psychotic episode. I need my medication. About to have a panic attack and with a publicist while I'm meditating. All I spit is heat, so is this room I believe in elated? I'm killing your hide, the way that I murder a track. I never relax. You feel like you fucking with me on my flow, but you isn't my nigga. That shit is a rap. I'm playing a relevant back. I'm taking a beat and I'm giving it back. I'm putting it right in your face. Just to reverse the verse. I'm reversing this verse, a curse that's immersive for certain. I make a verse to confirm it. You're in that verdict conversion within this version. Coercion and my perspective conversion was in that version. Assuring while I'm emerging concerning my insecurities. I even said that last line insecurity. This is the second time that I won't say this. The potent is pouring out of my portion. The potion become proportionate. Forcing a portion is pure and porcelain portion. Abortion I found within an assortment of force for fornication. Facilitating the formulation of duress and a compilation. Predicted the pollination. Perfect my mental projectable. Vitamin fortified is injectable. Not digestible. Address the microphone with the tone of any professional. Impressed with impeccable lines every time it's incredible. My rhymes highly respectable. Penetrating the posture. Your promise of apothecary. I didn't drop on my leading pen. I'm possible. A doctor. I'm obliterated while reiterating this honest pronunciation of reciprocation. The eloquation within my innovation. You should hasten on that replication. This is elevation like an application. I need to see your credentials. Massage a pen and my pencil. Get loose on an instrumental. It's sentimental, incidental. The sound was more intrusive. Was like conducive. I'll be the winner, but losing. Coming at me with illusions. Never confusing. I would have just diffusing. Giving up with some music. Never let me finish losing. There was no way to refuse it. Giving up to the uses. But when I'm on in a moment, I'm piecing a vision. I see when I step on a beat and I'm making a record. I'm getting them all like I say, but I do understand that the music is fake. Creating this up and we putting it up and I be with it. Take it and never will lead you astray. I tell it that I'm on display. We're giving a round of applause. I said I'm trying to make the motherfucking world rise with the rhymes that I can rise. I never synchronize the song apart and analyze. I watch the photosynthesis. I still in that state of empathy. I'm not looking for empathy. Why the fuck would you envy me? Empty the automatic for enemies at the embassy. Emphasizing emotion created within the energy. Enterprise in my mind till it syncopates to infinity. Venture into divinity. Da Vinci with the vision. The living with an intention. But if you don't pay attention, I'm placing you in detention without an honorable mention. Your rights are filled with dissension. My balls are filled with dimensions. Dimension like it's dementia. Descending upon defendants. Depending upon dependent. Addicted within the sentence. I'm a mild man. A passive is massacring. A massive is murdering. Blasting the masses. Often massive amounts. They try to give a better evidence. And you are really confident. You can't turn the bills in your bills in your accounts. I'm not a mathematician. It's written arithmetic. So I'ma teach you algebra. Dumb it down for you simpletons. If y equals mx plus me, then I must be an MC that succeeds. But my C, I haven't even looked at the square root of my averages. 3.14 pi divided with savages. The kind of damn democracy. My flow's a totalitarian. Battling with barbarians. Buried, I'm barely breathing while coughing, wheezing with heathens. I'm digging ditches and even dirt over my left shoulder. You introducing Jehovah. Supposed to fold that's in front of me. Started running and stumbling, mumbling something out of his lips till I slit his wrist and I tied him up to a cross and I started off with incisions, insisting on silence but it's crucifixion. The victim was tortured for hours, scorched by a blowtorch to the torso, burned to a fricassee, and now I'm carving all of the flesh was left of his crisply. I'm vividly visualizing my victory. I'm pushing the best in the vein down to the main artery. The smell is confident. I'm violent with the bayonet for latest fingertips to get rid of the evidence. I'm pulling out his canine molars and bicuts. That's why following in the footsteps of all of my fucking idols. From Jack the Ripper to John Wayne Gacy and Jeffrey Dahmer, the Black Dahlia killer, and even the Cleveland subject is slicing with a surgical precision. Even though I'm only kidding, I'm lost faith in the music, and every song that I hear is amusing. It's so confusing. You would rather have a nigga acting like a buffoon. Clown costume with the floppy shoes and the red nose, and don't forget the diamond chain to go with it. Expensive coat perpetuating an image that no one can afford. Ain't you motherfuckers sick of that unoriginal ignorance? I'll put the microphone up and give you something that's different. Just open up your ears when I appear and start listening. It's kind.
To me, I'm fly as fuck, she say jet fuel me. Ooh baby, you like it raw, me too baby. But no new babies, that's word to the woo baby. Me and you raw like some steak boo. I hate you and tell you how I hate you. Regurgitate you, they don't make you like they make you. Make up to hit it face down, fucking the case up. Raw and upcut, pay my attention, no pay cuts. Might hit it raw, no plan B, cause you A+. You a queen of me like the Bohemian Rhapsody. We running this shit baby. These niggas flat-footed, these niggas answer me. It's too raw, they can't kick it. I'm eating this track pussy raw.
to me and all is raw. Sometimes the panties don't match the bra. Broke phone like Lamar. Ooh, baby, I like it raw. Had me 8 weeks of baby, more than sick and all too raw. No makeup, man's luxury scarf. Adorn my hair, shopping like thorns without the cross. Kyrie with the cross too raw. In my thoughts, they nailed me to the cross for being too black and raw. That's that bushy pussy rap that called me pick me for. Got a mouth full of gold, Beyonce called it those. They can't break my soul. A million I haven't sold. The truth won't be so. I still be like so. I rap and strike through. I still laugh and bold. I say what they scared to say. The row is laughing, you know. My titties hang like Ross, just like the queen of soul. Natural woman coming through, baby. I like it raw. Pull up to the function without no makeup on. Boy, whips are big, gas lights, they flip it wrong. No more doing it raw. He putting a condom on. This feel like a Compton song. This feel like Weezy Solange. They mad, I'm mad. The streets, they've been doing us wrong. Too raw, anemic. That's why they keep the iron on. How we gon' take off with takeoff and others go? Let's go. Emotion that display in the song. Y'all taking life and judging it canon. That feel wrong, but maybe that's too raw. Fuck it, I'll carry on and mind the business. The one that I belong. The rocks and all the stones they throw. I built a home, sat in it and wrote a poem about bitches, hoes, and chrome. Like there's gotta be more for us. Morpheus on the phone, he told me to keep it raw. Bullets inside my palm, I'm holding them, knowing that I'm the light, just like Islam, a star.
Would the Lord forgive me if I killed a beat? Would it be a sin if I had did it for the Trinity? Jesus said that we should have affection for our enemies. When he flipped the tables, think I'm picking up the recipe? I just drop hot coals on a hater. I ain't never gonna be spineless. I shine a light in Nashville. Where you find us? Planted in the middle of the city. Rhyming. Rare life looking like gold. Real life. Hope to blind fish. Enemy Poseidon. I don't pop a pill, I need a verse, not a Vicodin. Feeling like Daniel Cormier in a lion's dug out symbol. The bad boys like they called out Timber. Had a hater tell me that the tribe not the best. Man, that's feeling like a stretch, and you not that everything I love, that's a reach.
Idiot, tribe save lives but kill rappers, lots of hypocrites. That's my bad. When I'm with the gang, I get belligerent. I'd rather tame them all up on my taxi. Let's get into it. Sometimes I be writing. Found out they had a hymen. I'm my really white lie. I'm a white guy. I'm trying to high, now they want slice. Head up high, drive, slide it right to my line of sight. I take it side. Who got jokes for God's son? Go see about a life in the kids and drop one. I really feel Christ, so I don't wanna hang too. But if I die early, try platinum.
Tribe on the move, you can't duck the truth. Tribe on the move, you can't duck the truth. Tribe on the move, you can't duck the truth. Tribe on the move, you can't duck the truth.
If I gotta go and get it, I hit it hard like a meteor. We all benefit if I make a scene, and with a scene, 23 and me. That's with me with a weedy dirt before I made a check off it. I'm screaming my data centers.
Non-bad beats might just break your neck.
No apologies if they know that my face ain't weak. I'm screaming justice for Aisha, cause I read the hadith
In the Quran too.
Judy grabbed me. Talking about traditions, I ain't putting no one around. The very fact that I'm upset that I demonstrate a point of view. The shoe is on like, ooh, look at what they do. Dropped another album that they had. They cooking up with Tory down in East St. Louis. Keep their head on straight, know that drop is on the move.
Move out the way when we coming. Got a pop, turn a lot of nothing into something. Falling so they can walk, we real life bugging. The place is sunken. I can still feel the agony. War on drugs in my family, I'm a casualty. Used to make them jump off the porch, stay on balconies. Hip hop, I'm on your side, I ain't the pro, I'm faculty. Ray Charles, I know you see it, but is you feeling it? Black and traumatized, they thought I needed Ritalin. Snakes roaming around, God, I need deliverance. No Harry Potter, but I'm not a fan of Slytherin. I was in my lowest to the Superman save me. Honey trees, no lies, and much shade. Don't try, like the word of God, but we ain't
cause you'll get jumped, man, no ifs, ands, or maybe. Put you to sleep like rock-a-bye, baby. So watch your mouth, cause you don't wanna get crazy. So what you want, you gon' get what